Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you a website which I recently found out on internet. It's called as Helicone.ai. If you directly type this website in the browser, this landing page will come directly. So it provides you with free API keys. It has a free plan. It doesn't require any credit card. It also offers 7-day free trial. It provides API keys to all the popular AI models that are there. So it's completely open source as well. So you can actually find out their GitHub repository. It's almost got 5.6 thousand GitHub stars. So it's an open source LLM API platform where you get API keys. It connects almost 100 plus AI models. It provides you with a simple API where you can call different AI providers. So now to get started, simply click on try for free. So unfortunately, as you see, I click this, so it's simply telling that signups are disabled at this moment of time. So if you already created an account right here, then you can simply log in, existing user. You can continue successfully signed in. I think you can log in with your Google account. So once you log in directly, it will redirect you to the dashboard area right here. So once you sign up, as you can see right here, I've already have this much of credits available, and quick start, you can inside the sidebar section you will actually see. So first of all, you can create your API key right here, click on that, and you can need to set up billing right here. So right here recommended, you can add credits as well. Just specify the amount and you can add credits very easily. It's a trusted website. Or you can use your own API keys as well. So right here you specify the provider. You can see all the providers are there. So you can add the API keys very easily. I think it is telling us now to create the API key you must add billing. You must add credits. So right here specify the amount of credits that you want to add. Minimum amount of $10. So add two credits. It will redirect you to the checking page. Here you can purchase the credits. After purchasing it, you can create the second step, the API key, and after that you can integrate that. So it's very easy. So once you created the API key, it's very easy. You simply come to this. The pricing is also very easy. In the free plan you actually get 10,000 free request, 1 GB of storage as well. So the models, if you see, it's almost 111 models are there. So GPT, Quen, Claude, Quen 3, Gemini, Grok, Kimi K2, DeepSeek, all the models are there, as you can see right here. The input and output cost is mentioned, the context window, the provider name, everything is mentioned right here. You will see that. So it's a trusted website. You can just see right here. You can compare different models as well directly, one model to other model. Comparison, you can even do that as well. So documentation, if you want to check out their documentation, so quick start is mentioned right here. In different languages they have simply said here you will replace the API key after you add credits. The example in TypeScript, this is the Python script, this is a call request. Simply make a post request to this endpoint to actually communicate with the API. So very easy setup. Once you get the API key after adding some kind of credits, then you can make request to 100 plus models API. So this is a website, Helicone.ai. Definitely check this out.